Hello guys and welcome back to your reviews. Today we're diving into the world of compact computing with the top 5 best mini laptops you can get your hands on this year. Whether you're a digital nomad, a student on the go, or simply looking for portable power, these mini laptops pack a punch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. For more details and where to buy these amazing gadgets, check out the links in the description box below. Let's explore the future of mobile computing together. Starting off at number 5, we have the Svikou 10.1-inch mini laptop. This compact device comes equipped with a powerful Celeron and 4020 quad-core processor, ensuring smooth performance for everyday tasks. With 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD, you get ample storage and quick access to your files. The built-in webcam is perfect for video calls, making it ideal for both work and personal use. Connectivity is a breeze with Wi-Fi and HDMI ports, allowing you to stay connected and productive wherever you are. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and it's suitable for both children and adults. The sleek gray finish adds a touch of elegance, making it not just a functional device, but also a stylish accessory. Coming in at number 4, we have the ASUS Vivobook Go-120210. This 11.6-inch ultra-thin laptop is the 2022 version and is powered by the Intel Celeron and 4020 processor. It boasts 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of eMMC storage, providing enough space for essential apps and documents. Running on Windows 11 Home and S mode, it offers a secure and efficient user experience. Plus, you get 1 year of Office 365 Personal included, making it a fantastic choice for students and professionals alike. The L210 May DS02 model's compact size and lightweight design make it perfect for on-the-go use, whether you're in a classroom, at a coffee shop, or traveling. At number 3, we have the Acer Chromebook Spin 311 convertible laptop. This versatile device features an 11.6-inch HD touch display, allowing you to switch between laptop and tablet modes with ease. Powered by the Intel Celeron and 4020 processor, it delivers reliable performance for web browsing, streaming, and productivity tasks. With 4 GB of LPDDR4 RAM and 32 GB of eMMC storage, it offers sufficient space for your needs. The Chromebook runs on Google's Chrome OS, providing a seamless and secure computing experience. Gigabit Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0 ensure fast and stable connectivity, making this a great option for students and professionals who need a flexible and portable device. Number 2 on our list is the Acogedor mini laptop. The 7.0-inch mini computer runs on Windows 11 Pro and is powered by a high-speed CPU J4105. With an impressive 12 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD, this pocket PC offers exceptional performance and storage capacity in a compact form factor. Its ultra-portable design means you can carry it anywhere, making it perfect for on-the-go professionals who need a reliable and powerful device at their fingertips. Whether you're working, studying, or just browsing the web, the Acogedor mini laptop is a fantastic choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ruchonin mini laptop PC. This 8-inch touchscreen gaming notebook is a powerhouse, featuring the latest Intel 12th Gen Alder Lake NN100 CPU. Running on Windows 11, it comes with 12 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, providing top-notch performance and ample storage for all your games, applications, and files. The all-metal design gives it a premium feel, while the built-in webcam makes it perfect for video conferencing and streaming. Whether you're gaming, working, or enjoying multimedia content, the Ruchonin mini laptop PC offers a high-quality, portable computing experience.